Exciting session. A lot of people are looking forward to it. Almost 18 days of this session now, right up till the 7th of August. So looking forward to a very healthy debate based on the BSA meeting. It was quite a smooth meeting, but still based on how things are looking, we are going to have a lot of interesting points that are going to be taken up in this session. So as a Deputy Speaker, looking forward to proceed over most of these matters.
Any major issue of yours?
Right now we are just waiting for the monsoon to subside so that whatever waterlogged areas are there, we can provide relief to them. एक उदकाचो issue असलो planta कडल्यान water supply, so transformerचो issue असलो, so that has been resolved yesterday early morning. So today things are looking better. Besides that, no other major. There was a major pipeline burst on the national highway along Naldana constituency in Maksha. So that also work has been going on. So besides that, nothing. We'll have to wait and watch.